Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, just in case you don't know. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be recreating a look that my friend here, Danielle Schmidt, has created. I will be putting the little video in the corner of the screen here so you guys can watch me recreate the look that she created. So yeah, and she's going to be creating a look I created on her channel as well. So I'm going to be putting the link to her video in the description box below. Make sure you go and check that out. If you want to see how I recreate Danielle's look, then just stick around. Okay, so as you can see, I'm wearing everything on my face. This is exactly what Danielle did. She already had everything done on her face except for her lips and her eyes. So I left my eyes and my lips naked. Shh, don't tell anybody. But no, I left them blank so I can do the tutorial. So here we go. Danielle started off with, okay, there's two palettes that she used. I have one of the palettes and the other palette I don't have, so I'm going to be using ColourPop single eyeshadows for that. Okay, so she started off in the crease. This is my Luxie 205, and she started off in the crease with this. This is the Smokey Eyes palette, by the way, by BH Cosmetics. And she started off with this really light color right here. It's a pink in the crease. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Luxie 205 and I'm going to be going into this brighter pink right here, also into the crease, because she wanted to create a gradient. With those two shades. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my ColourPop single shadows because Danielle used the Too Faced Just Peachy palette, but I don't have that, so I'm trying to use the best colors that I have, like the closest colors that I have to the ones that she used. So therefore I'm going to be using this one. It's called Centerfold. That's the next color that she used. And I'm using this brush, oh not that one. I'm using this brush right here by Rimmel Nickel to apply that shade. She applied it a little lower, also in the crease, but even lower. I think she just keeps going lower a little bit. And I'm just doing a swiping motion back and forth. Okay, so now I'm going to be going into this shade. She went into Just Peachy, and I'm going into this shade by ColourPop called Issues with this little Royal and Nickel brush. Okay, so next she used a eyeliner pencil on the lid of her eye, but I'm just going to use this Kat Von D felt tip liner. I have a lot of like little crinkles, and using a pencil might not work so well in my favor, so I'm just going to use this liquid felt tip liner all along this upper lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to use a pencil for my waterline. I don't mind doing that, but I have a hard time using a pencil on my lid. So she put some black eyeliner on the waterline. Okay, next Danielle used the Maybelline Colossal Express mascara, and I actually just recently threw that out because it was dried up. So I am going to use my Maybelline Great Lash. I want to use actually falsies because my lashes are funky, but she didn't use lashes. I'm just gonna do mascara like she did. Okay guys, so I kind of screwed up. I went and put some mascara on my bottom lashes before I did my lash line. Danielle put Peach Punch in the lash line. I'm going to be using the Centerfold by ColourPop. I'm just kind of gonna get the brush under there and get that in the lash line. This is not fun. So when you guys do this look, if you want to create it, don't screw up like me. It's kind of hard to do when you already have mascara on. Okay, now Danielle went ahead and she used a highlighter from the BH Cosmetics highlighting palette, but I don't have that. So I'm just going to use this eyeshadow right here by ColourPop. It's called On the Fence. I'm going to use that to highlight the brow bone. And also the inner corner, but I'm going to use this little brush for the inner corner. Okay, so next Danielle used a CoverGirl melting pout called Don't Be Jelly lipstick, but I don't have that shade, so I'm going to use this ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the color The Rabit. That's the closest thing that I have to the color that she used. Okay guys, so this is the recreation of Danielle's Valentine's makeup look. Now I just want to try popping on some lashes and seeing how much different the look can look with lashes, because my eyelashes are really wonky. It's really weird, you guys. These eyelashes are more curly and a little bit longer, and these ones go straight out and they're a little shorter. It's so weird. It's weird. So I'm just going to throw on some lashes to show you guys what this look would look like with lashes. Okay guys, so this is the finished look with lashes. I kind of like it better with lashes only because I don't have really long curly lashes, so I just prefer with the lashes. Thank you so much, Danielle, for asking me to do this recreation with you. I had a lot of fun. Please don't forget to stop over at Danielle's channel and check out her recreation of my look. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.